adjust the hose at least once, pull it down, and the water pipe should put into a container, and this container is filled of the Descalling remover. Then turn on the gas and use the keys on the machine, and when the ignition light is on, then turn on the scale remover button. And you may find the remover will go through inside the machine and get out from the steam outlet hose. And keep it work about half an hour every time. And when finished descaling, and turn it off. Turn off it and keys off the machine, then turn off the gas bottle. Turn it off and pull down the black rings and pull up the hose. And then finish descaling.